What's going on, guys? It's your boy, man, Startup Breezy, baby, coming to you live with another one. Another lit video, baby. Boy, you already see it. We talk about this drip, man, but I don't get on this today. I'm just showing, you see the price still hovering around 40. Don't nobody be on the computer on the weekend, man. Y'all know, be out doing things, spending that money. So, might hover around 40, might drop to 38. Who knows? Who cares? Look at that. I ain't got nothing. I ain't got no drip. I ain't got no B&B. I might let you know a little secret Monday. You gotta subscribe though. You gotta hit that subscribe, hit that like button right now. And on Monday, I'm gonna let you know a little secret. You know what I'm saying? What I'm doing, what's going on. I'm gonna pull the curtain back, help my people out. Boy, we just went up a penny, boy. I'm tripping. Drip make you happy, man. But anyway, let's keep it moving, baby. Oh. Let me go to the files. Let me show you. Let me make another announcement. We did an airdrop for the big team yesterday. We're going to do an airdrop for the smaller team on Friday. So you're going to want to be here on Friday. We doing us, but hey, you got a great chance of getting an airdrop with the smaller team. All you got to do is have 50 drip. So if you new and you ain't, hey, you could join drip today and get an airdrop Friday. All you got to do is have 50 drip on the team, minimum. Now you can put in 100, 200, whatever. That's just minimum. You got to have at least 50 drip to get the airdrop. And then going forward, it's going to be 100 drip. I'm trying to grow the platform. You got to come on, man. This thing is life changing. You know what I'm saying? Put your money where your mouth at. Don't be nickel and diming me. You want nickel and dime, go to them other YouTube. I don't beg nobody. You can go nickel and dime over there. But anyway, take care of my people on Friday, man. We're going to make it big. You know how I do, baby. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, let's keep it moving. But let's jump on over to DNA Dollar, man. I jumped in this last night. You know, I really don't like doing these things, man, like bomb.com and Ohm and Tomb and Charge and stuff. They all gonna end the same way. You know what I'm saying? Like, I do them, but I don't show them because I know how to do them. And new people will get wrecked every time, man. Like, no matter how much you tell them, like, bruh, I don't care who you listening to. Dude, these are not lifers. Don't stay in these things forever. You know what I'm saying? Get in, get out. These are platforms allow you to get out. You provide your liquidity or whatever, make your gains, and get out, bro. Y'all listening to the wrong people tell you, yeah, keep going back in. Yeah, we're going to do it again. No. Once the money is made, you move on. These things pop up all the time. The reason I like this one because it's on Chronos. You know what I'm saying? Like, Chronos ain't let me down yet. This blockchain is fast. It makes money. You know, I don't even really talk about that often. But this thing makes money, so I'm going to show you right now. All right, see, TVL keep going up. You see it was 2545, now it's 255. Now you know after my video gonna go up. You know what I'm saying? So the price of DNA right now is 29. D shares 37,000. Bonds pretty much the same thing as DNA. But anyway, another thing, if you new, I know I got a lot of new people watching me because of drip or whatever. This ain't for you. Do not do this because you're gonna stay too long. You're gonna get wrecked. You can make some money if you know how to do your research, know what you're doing. These things make plenty of money. I'm finna show you. I just got in last night. Now, I went into the replicator. Which one did I do? I think it was DNA. Yeah, I think it was this one. Yeah, see? Check me out. Come on, pop up with it. I put in 3,000. Dang, it just went up again. I guess the price of DNA going up. I put in 3,000. You can see the percentages. APR 31,000%. You know that's unsustainable, guys. So new people, when you see stuff like this, it's unsustainable. That means make your money, pay attention, and get out. You see what I'm saying? So check this out. I just got in last night. I got in about 11 o'clock last night. It's like 9 o'clock today. It ain't even been a half a day. So I'm probably going to make my ROI back. I'll probably get all this back today, by 9 o'clock. Because I put in 3,000 and I've already made 1,200. You just hit claim and sell or do something else with your DNA. You can move around the system, go to laboratory, mutate. You can do a lot of stuff in these type of platforms. But I don't want to get into all that, man. I'll just show you what I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? That new people, if you get in this, boy, I'm telling you, 2-3 days max. 2-3 days max. That's it. Don't be in here for no week, 2 weeks. I don't care what the price go to. I don't care what another YouTuber tell you. 3 days max. Get out. You're going to end up wrecked. Your boy telling you now. Straight up. I'll be out of this by what the day is. So I'll be out of this by Monday, Tuesday. Monday, Tuesday. Because you get a chance to get out. You claim, get all that money, and then you hit this right here, and you take your liquidity out. I'm not going to explain liquidity providing, because, boy, if you knew, whew, boy, you would not understand liquidity. But for everybody to understand, hey, DNA dollar paying off. It's on Chronos, paying out, boy. I woke up, I was like, what the what? But anyway, let's move on to something else. VVS, as you can see, I got another 800 to get out of here. I've taken out 2,000. I only put 13,000 here. It went up to 19,000, but the price of Chronos going down or whatever. But another 800 to get out on the farms. Let's see where farms at. See, well, here I am right here. I'm in the Crow ETH and Crow BTC. Y'all know I ain't, man. Hey, man, you know me. So I got 483 to get out of here and 383 to get out of here. That's what I do, baby. We're going to keep moving because I don't want to take all day on my little MetaMask. What I got over here on ChronoSwap, boy. I got it on ChronoSwap. I go to this farm. See about this bread. Boy, I get money everywhere. Everywhere. See what I'm talking about, what I got. Where I'm at now. Where my money? Boy, I'm about to hit the emails. I got to call. Oh, I need to call to get my money. Oh, Lord. They stole all my money. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Where I'm at? Chronos done jipped me. Now here we go right here. I'm in the WBTC Chronos pool. Y'all know I've been in here. 41,000. I got another $1,800 to get out of here. Hit that little harvest. Get that on up out of here. Now I might go up here and hit this cause the price is staying over $1. So I might go on and get in this Corona USDC, man, or this Corona USDT, man, or the Corona Crow. They all paying over 1% a day. You know what I'm saying? You got to stay away from these in the beginning because, why, you lose your tail. See, that you got to know how to play this stuff. Wait till it settle out so you won't lose, because this thing was up at like $6, $7. So you got to hit in. You bought that there. You way more than you 70% down. But now that it done leveraged out, you know, it's kind of like, what is that? What's the other one we in? BMF? Buy swap. You know, once it level out, but you can make this where the gains is happening. Who gonna tell you about this stuff, man? Your boy, man. Your boy. But anyway, so I'm gonna come back to that, but I got something else I want to show you. Come over here right quick. Let me see what these folks talking about in Telegram, man. What they talking about? They tripping, man. They be talking crazy. To the Soldier Boy. Yeah, you know, thanks for the drip drop. No problem, man. That's what I'm saying. People say thank you for the airdrop. Some people don't say nothing. They just getting the money and going by their business, man. You know what I'm saying? It's all good, though. Let's see what else. I'm sure what else I'm talking about, man. Let's go over here, baby. Everything I talk about is money. But let me show you something now. Let me show you something. I make money everywhere, but let me show you something right there. This Neo Tokyo right here, right? Let me show you this. I bought this for 3 ETH. 3. Show you what it's worth now. Everything I get in, I dominate, bro. Just period. Simple. Come on, get to it. What you doing? What you doing? If you got the money, get into your Tokyo, bro. Look at this thing, bro. If I sell it right there, it's worth 25.5 ETH. Now, mine worth a little more, so if I sell it, I'll probably sell it about 34, 35 ETH. You know what I'm saying? But I only paid 3 ETH for it. If you know, you know. And there ain't a lot to be, look at this. If you want to buy one now, look at the price. The floor is 25.5. Look at how fast the price go up. This is crazy. Look at these prices, bro. And look, this is it. This ain't no more. There's no more. There's only 12 for sale out of 2,000. So the prices keep going up. You got, bro, everything I get in, I dominate. Even NFT, people be, man, I don't care what YouTuber you watch. They're not doing it like me, bro. They are not doing it like me. That's just one. I can show you another one right there. I don't care whether it's DeFi. I don't care what it is. You know what I'm saying? Let me see what else. Well, I got a lot of stuff. I got another one. I'm gonna check this one out. See how much this one worth. Now, do you know how much 25 ETH is, bro? Huh? Here go another one. This was worth 31 ETH. Bro, I showed you almost 60 ETH, bro. Just with them two. That's over $200,000, bro. I'm telling you, man, this stuff, I need to start me a Patreon, bro. But I mean, people just, what I'm saying, I don't have time for it. You know what I mean? But anyway, man, like the video for this good motivation. I like to motivate people. I believe that you're smart enough to blaze your own trail, bro. You can make money your own way. I'm just here to motivate you, to show you can do it, to show you that stuff works, show you can make money in anything. You know what I'm saying? And watch who you follow. Us YouTubers, man, we do the best we can, but a lot of people not here for you. They're here for themselves. You know what I'm saying? I'm here for myself too. But I try to show you because I don't need your money. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing I showed you here today got no referral link except Drip. And Drip don't even really pay that much. Anybody that's in it know Drip referral don't pay nothing. You know what I'm saying? Not like I think it should, but these NFTs don't pay no referral link. Nothing no Chronos swap. Chronos don't pay no referral link. DNA don't pay none of that. That's just for you to make money if you want to do it. If not, don't do it. But anyway, man, enjoy your weekend, baby. I know I am. I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to spend some of this money on. Like the video. Comment, subscribe. Join Drip so you can get that airdrop. Holla back at your boy.